if you are not making cool cash on the internet right now, it means you are living back in days of our forefathers. This is because internet has given all of us access to make money from the comfort of our home. Okay, so welcome guys, welcome to this webinar where I'll be teaching you how you can make at least 400 to 700,000 naira using your smartphone and or laptop. All right, so if this is your first time here, I welcome you to my webinar whereby I teach you step by step on how you can make cool cash on the internet. Guys, this is the make money gang. Okay, so this is the short free training section. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so if this is your first time meeting or getting across to my webinar, my name is Emmanuel Adewale. I'm a digital strategist and I'm also an online business owner. I'm so much eager to share you this latest mind-blowing update that will change your financial life forever. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is not like every other online business that you see everywhere. Right, I'll be showing you life results. All right, how I make money and don't make excuses. Okay, so the reason why I want to share you my life results is because I want you to make money and don't make any excuses. Don't forget, this is the Money Gang webinar. Okay, so quickly, let me just go to my dashboard right here. Okay, let me just go to my dashboard. Okay, so as you can see, this is not scam. I'm showing you a live dashboard. As you can see, my screen running here and forth. Okay, so let me just show you how much sales I've made. As you can see, my name here, Emmanuel Adewale. Okay, so I won't take too much of your time so that you can see the possibility of what the internet can give you. Okay, so this is how many sales. This is 951 sales. All right, so if you times 2000 times 951 sales, you already know how much I've made on this platform. And this is just one of my accounts. Let's just go to the other account that I have. Okay, okay, so let me just sign out here and go to my other account. I have at least, I think I have like 4 to 5 accounts that gives me money on daily basis. Guys, don't joke, this is a real-time business. Okay, so as you can see, this is another email of myself. Okay, so this is my order dashboard. Okay, as you can see, this is 796 sales. All right, and I sell one of these products here. I sell it for 11,000 naira. If you times 11,000 naira times 796, you already know that I'm not joking here. What I'm about to show you is real-time results, no play. And if you do everything that I tell you to do, I'm very sure you get better result and even massive result. Okay, so let's get going. All right, so this system that I'm about to share with you are the system that I have been using to make money since for let me say for over 2 years now, and I must tell you that this is mind blowing. All right, so this is what I've been doing basically to make cool cash. All right, even you can even do this without even leaving your business. Right, you just be seeing a lot on your phone. All right, so just stay close to the end of this webinar so that you can get the massive bonus that I've prepared for you. All right, so basically what I do is that I sell digital product. All right, I sell digital product. All right, digital products are products that you can only see. Right, so example of digital products are ebooks, trainings, courses like that. All right, so you can actually provide solutions to people by for example, if someone is sick, you can describe the solutions to the sickness. All right, in form of an ebook. You sell it to them. If someone wants to learn a skills, if someone wants to learn this and that, all right, so you basically get valuable information and you turn this valuable information to cash. You turn it to money. All right, so this is what I do. All right, I sell digital products. All right, and you cannot sell digital products successfully online without following these four systems that I'm about sharing with you. If you don't follow this four systems that I'm about sharing with you, don't just worry doing any business like this. Okay, so the number one system is that you need to learn how to create offers. All right, this is what I call offer creation. All right, don't forget you can't do this on your own. You need to learn from the best. All right, you need to learn from people that are already having results. If you do this on your own, you will lose so much money, and at the end of the day you become frustrated. So don't do this on your own. So the number one system is offer creation. You need to learn how to create offers around your digital product. Right, so that's the first system. The second system is that you need to know how to brand and package your digital product. Okay, so this is one of the software that make money very very simple. Okay, so again, if you don't do this the right way, you will be missing it all. So that's very important that you follow someone that already have result. Okay, so I don't want to waste much of your time. All right, so the next system that you need to put in place that will actually give you massive money is when you know how to market your digital product. Okay, don't forget what we are doing here is that you'll be selling digital product. Okay, like I said, once you do it right, you will make massive money as I do. All right, so I'll be taking you by hand if you stay to the end of this webinar. All right, so the next system that you should have in place is your distribution system. Your distribution system is very very important. Okay, if you get your distribution system in place, you'll be smiling to the bank weekly and cash out good money. Okay, so this is all this thing that I'm telling you is because that is what I always do. Okay, it's one of the most simplest and easiest online business that you can start and make money within 3 to 7 days. This is guarantee. Okay, this is guarantee. Okay, now this update that I'm giving you is not for everybody. It is only for smart people. Okay, this update that I'm giving you, all right, is not for everybody. It's only for smart people. Everybody that I already have in this money gang, they are smart people. All right, there are people that take action. They don't talk. They just take action. I tell them to do this, they do it. I tell them to do this, they do it. And by making those moves, they make cool cash. All right, so they make cool cash. All right, they make cool cash. If you follow my method, like I shared you earlier on, if you follow the first system that I shared with you, you can make money yourself. All right, so now before you even start any of these things, there's a community that you should join, and this community is what I call the money gang community. The money gang community, this is a community that you can get our membership ticket and you forget poverty in your life. All right, you just get your membership ticket and forget about poverty in your entire life. This is not to just make money. This is just one thing that I'm starting off. If you follow this step by step, a lot of people are selling the digital product online. Okay, but it's only few people that know how to sell digital product and make massive money. So don't be like one of those people that lose money on the internet. Be like members of the money gang that make money on the internet. Okay, so before you even think of joining this money gang community, you should prepare your membership ticket money, which is for 50,000 naira. Right, the membership ticket money is 50,000 naira, but because you stayed to the end of this webinar, all right, because you stayed to the end of this webinar, I'm currently giving you an offer to join the money gang community, so you can get your membership ticket with just 10,500 naira. All right, if you're in Ghana, I can send you the link to make your payment. This is massive. Don't even miss this for anything. Don't even miss this for anything. You can see my dashboard. You can see my dashboard. As you can see, this is just my dashboard right here. Right, this is just one of my dashboard right here. Guys, don't even joke with all of these things I'm sharing with you. Don't even, as you can see, I have multiple dashboard. In short, this was just one that I created of recent. Okay, so you can be on the internet and make money. Don't even waste your time chatting and do anything. Be on the internet and make massive money. Be on the internet and make massive money. I will share you step by step. I will hold you by hand. Okay, I will hold you by hand. This is Emmanuel Adewale. People know me for my promises. Okay, I will take you by hand. This is an update that many people have not yet know about. Okay, as you can see, this is my wallet, and this is my wallet right here. If I want to withdraw this money to my bank account, I can do it immediately by clicking on this link and directly to go to my local bank account. Okay, so this is an update that I'm sharing you for the little fee of 10,000 naira instead of you paying 50,000 naira. Guys, this is an offer that you cannot get anywhere. If at all I want to teach this skill of making money, I will charge you nothing less than 100,000, but I'm giving you offer to join the Money Gang community with the ticket fee of just 10,500 naira only. All right, so this is just for 20 people only. This is just for 20 people only. If 20 people get this ticket immediately right now as I'm doing this webinar, this offer will be closed and you will have to pay 50,000 naira to join the Money Gang community. So this is very important you take action immediately right now. It's very important you take action immediately right now. So don't forget, the membership ticket is just 10,500 naira, and once you make payment to get your membership ticket, I will send you the community link for you to join immediately. And once you join, you will gain access to the systems, all right, that I've been using to make money on the internet. All right, so once you join, you start learning immediately, and I assure you that within 3 to 7 days you will start making money. You will start making money. This is very guaranteed. You start making money. You start making money. You start making money. You start making money. This is not a get rich scheme. All right, this is not affiliate marketing. This is you selling digital product, following the system that I use. Okay, and I assure you that if you follow the system that I use, you will make money. And again, and I guarantee, this is one of the guarantee that I give the past members. All right, this is one of the guarantee that I give them. All right, if within 60 days, if you don't make money, I will return back this your 10,500 to you. Now just take it and go. If you don't make money with this process that I'm teaching you right here, this means I'm sure and I'm guaranteed that this money making business process that I'm going to teach you will make you cool money. So what are you waiting for? Send me a DM and I will send you the link or the details to make your payment. Take action now. Just 20 people and this offer will be off. 20 people only and this offer will be closed immediately. So go and get your ticket right now. Okay, and I'll see you inside. Bye for now.